Ileana Rozga is a prominent Croatian pop, folk, and electropop singer. She was born on August 23, 1977 in Split, Croatia. She is the daughter of Maria and Ante Rozga. She also has an older sister, Julia. During her childhood, Rozga was insisting on becoming a ballet dancer and her parents sent her to ballet classes during the first grade of primary school when she was 7 years old. She joined KUD Mosaic where she was under the guidance of Lepa Smohe, a famous Croatian choreographer. When she was 13, she was invited to participate in the opera house La Scala in Milan. Her parents, however, did not allow her to participate due to financial reasons as they would also have to move with her to accompany her as a minor. Rozga was reported to have been in a relationship with Stjepan Hausa, the cellist of the Croatian band Two Cellos, since they met in 2015 and in 2016 the pair also got engaged. In 2017, the relationship reportedly ended. On 12 November 2020, Rozga released a cover of the song Kad Nema Ljubavi by Croatian singer Ilan Kabilzo as part of the project New Sound of the 90s. On 7 December 2020, Rozga appeared on Narodni Radio's Christmas Living Room where she performed an acoustic cover of Peter Grasso's Fricula. On 8 December 2020, Rozga appeared on the 9th gathering of the HEP Obscurva where she had an interview and performed acoustic versions of 4 songs. In addition to her singing career, Rozga also shortly ventured in acting. She is considered to be one of the most famous singers in Croatia, having received gold certifications for 3 solo albums and having won numerous awards, including the Grand Prix Award at the Split Festival. In 2006, she decided to pursue a solo career with the release of her debut studio album Oprosti Mala. The album was a major commercial success that established her status as a solo artist. It peaked on top of the Croatian album chart and produced several commercially successful singles, including Gospe Moha Oprosti Mala. In 2012, she released her first best of album which featured singles from her solo career and those recorded with the group magazine. Moderna Zina, the singer's third studio album, was released in 2016 and featured some of the most famous singles as a solo artist to date, including the title song and Tsunami. Moderna Zina was Rozga's third studio album to top the Croatian album chart and to receive a golden certification by the Croatian Phonographic Association. She became the lead singer of magazine in 1996 when she was 18 years old. They released 5 albums between 1996 and 2004. She was the 2007 winner of the Grand Prix at the Split Festival. She joined Bezaga I Instructory for 9 shows in Croatia and one in a Iroki Brizek, Bosnia and Herzegovina in late 2011. On 14 March 2014, Rozga released Okas Mentola, which became a hit single and its music video. On 26 March 2013, Rozga released the single Nirvana along with an accompanying music video that saw her perform a choreography backed by 2 male dancers.